Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time, let's have another story time. Alright, so this, sorry. Kicking the camera. So this story time is a story time of a bad experience with eBay, and this happened, I forget, maybe almost a half a year ago, and I just never got around to filming a video like this. So I thought I still sort of know what happened, but the most important thing is the concept, or what happened. So this happened on eBay. I was the seller in this case, and I was listing. I'll put a picture up here. It was an O case. It was one of the ones that has the the double pockets, and it was brand new, never used, and I even said that in videos before that I never used it, because it was in the caviar leather with a chevron, and I did not, I was just worried about getting it messed up, so I just never used it. And so I decided to sell it, and at first I tried selling it on the Facebook groups, in the Chanel Addicted group, and I didn't get any buyers there, and so I decided to go on Facebook, not Facebook, on eBay, and I listed it on there, and somebody messaged me about it, being, interested in it, and yeah, this person was such a nightmare. So I had it originally listed at one price, and I kept on going back and forth with this person, and we eventually settled on a price which was a couple $100 more than, or a couple $100 less than what I had it listed for. And I should have known by, this person's. So one tip for, selling on eBay is to look at the seller's profile. I'm not the seller's profile, but the buyer's profile. It's not really, you can't really do much about it, but you could sort of know what kind of people that you're dealing with, especially when they are trying to contact you, trying to get a better deal and whatnot. And so anyways, we did settle on a price which was, like I said, several $100s less than what I was hoping for, but I said okay, whatever. And so I gave this person the offer. They accepted it. I shipped it out, and a few days later, after they received it, I get an email from eBay saying that this person has opened up a claim against me, and the claim was that the item was fake. And the person said it was fake because, guess what? She saw the item listed on Facebook, and I didn't, I did not hide that I listed on Facebook. I even told her that I had listed on Facebook, and I guess she didn't believe me, whatever. But what I do know, well, I can't say that I do know, but I think she just had some, regrets or buyer's regrets, and wanted a reason to be able to get a refund because it was, too expensive, and she didn't want to pay that much money for it, even though I gave it to her for such a good deal. She tried to find a reason to go that way. Anyway, so I did contact her, saying that, yes, it was me who posted it on Facebook. It's not fake. And I agreed, and this is another tip for you: don't agree to have it to have a return. But for me, I just wanted my item back because I didn't want her to ruin it. Let me tell you who this person is before I go any further. So she goes by Corey Basham Reese. I'll put her name right here and her picture right here just so you guys can see who I'm talking about. And on eBay, so that's her name on Facebook. On eBay, she goes by Cora Bell. And I'll put her name here as well. So yeah, this is about exposing, you know, bad people. Because I hope you guys don't have to experience what I experienced with this person. Where was I? Okay, so I'm trying to work things out with this person. I didn't want her to ruin my item. I just wanted my item back. And I said, okay, so give me my item back and I'll give you a refund. But she went and, you know, filed a claim against me. She then, wait, how did this go? So I was then contacting my friends to ask for advice on what to do. And they basically said, you know, call PayPal, call eBay, just to give them a heads up of what's going on. And so I did. And yeah, they basically said that I can't really do anything at this point because I have already agreed to take it back, even though that I have a no refund policy on my listings. So yeah, so before you go to the extent of saying that you'll accept something back, I guess it's up to you if you want to try to fight it out. Another thing that she said, because yeah, after I've proven that that was my listing on Facebook and the item was real, I even sent her a screenshot of the receipt that I had, you know, gotten when I purchased the item. She then goes and says that there's a funky smell. There's a funky smell to the piece. And now the thing about eBay and your listings is that I don't know, you can't really prove that something doesn't smell. And let me tell you, so the thing that she was smelling was fresh leather. And I guess she's never experienced what a new item that was leather smells like. Because when I received, so I ended up receiving the item back. I gave it to my roommates to smell, and yeah, they said it just smelled like leather. And so yeah, be careful when people try to open claims about, you know, smells, because that is one loophole, I guess you can say, that they can use to try and make a return. It doesn't matter if you know, there was something wrong functionally, as long as there's like a smell, they can always win in that case. Now, when I called eBay or PayPal, I forget which operator that I was talking to, they said, yeah, I would have won my case and I wouldn't have to have accepted this item back because I was able to prove that the item was, you know, genuine. So yeah, be careful about that. So this is what I did next was, since I knew she was on the Chanel group, I contacted the head administrator of that group. I gave her the receipts. I gave her screenshots of her complaints, and I let the administrator know who it was. And yeah, the administrator, you know, agreed with me, and she basically blocked this person, Corey Basham Reese. The administrator blocked her from the Chanel group, from the Louis Vuitton group, and from every other group that is run by her, which is like 27 other luxury groups on Facebook. And so that made me feel really good. And the next day, I think, guess who contacts me through Facebook saying, I can't believe you got me blocked from Facebook. It was it was what I was enjoying, blah blah blah. But look, if you are gonna pull some shit like that, you deserve not to be in these luxury groups. So I did a favor to everybody in the, you know, the Chanel group, and hopefully all the other groups that this person tried to, you know, enter. And the administrator not only banned her from these groups, but the administrator also banned her husband, because apparently she was trying to use her husband's Facebook to get into these other Facebook groups or something like that. But yeah, in the end, I did receive my item. I gave her her refund, and I was able to sell that item for my original asking price. And that's basically sort of like the story that I had told before, where I talked about this happened the same way. It was the smell that the person was complaining about, despite me, you know, giving proof that the item was authentic. It was the smell. And so I received my item back, and I sold it for more than what I had sold it to that person for. So yeah, so this is just a little rant video. I'm glad I finally made it. And just be careful of these buyers out there that are full of baloney. And yeah, just be careful out there on eBay, because there's a lot of creepy people. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.